How to make a group chat on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make a group chat on your Discord application. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this chats icon at the top right left corner. So once you're inside your chat icon, you should be seeing all of your chat with your friends. So now you can see the option that is your message and plus icon right next above your profile. Just click on this blue button, that is your button to create a group. So you can see there's option to create a new group just like this. You can also add a friend if you have not added yet. So now just click on this new group button over here, and you can basically add any number of friends which you have, whom you are already friend with. So once you select the number of people you want in your side of group, just click on this create button over here, and you should be successfully creating your group. And just like this, you can also actually change your group name by simply clicking on this group name over here and clicking on this three dot icon over here. And once you click on this three dot icon, click on this customize group over here, and you can actually change your group name just like this from over here, like this. So once you change your group name, click on save changes, and it should be changes. And you can also add a members by simply clicking on this members section and view your medias and everything which you share inside your chat. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.